Here's the answer to question 1D. So we have still got our same mean and standard deviation, and we are told that babies that weigh less than 2,500 grams are classified as low birth weight. So in 2016, there were 59,430 babies born, and we asked how many of these would we expect to be classified as low birth weight. So as soon as I see that word expect, or as soon as I see that sample size of 59,000, my brain goes straight to this formula, E equals N times P. All right, so what I need to do is I need to first of all find the probability. Okay, so I've got my normal distribution with my mean 3,425 and standard deviation of 550, and we're talking about babies that weigh less than 2,500. So 2,500, that's going to be below my mean somewhere. So let's say it's there, so there's 2,500, and we want babies that weigh less than that, so I'm going to shade in the area below it. Okay, so I need to go to my graphics calculator. I've got my mean and my standard deviation. I just need to find the upper and the lower values to be able to get the probability. So if I think about that value of 2,500, that is the biggest value that I've shaded in on the number line. So on that number line there, that 2,500 is the biggest part, so that's my upper. And my smallest one, I'm just going to give a really, really tiny value like negative 10,000. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my graphics calculator and find that probability, and then I'll come back and finish the calculation. Okay, so we found that our probability was 0.04630. So I want to use that probability now in my formula. So I'm going to go to the formula, and the formula says N, which is our sample size, and in this case our sample size is 59,430. Multiply that by my probability of 0.04630, and that's going to give me a value of 2,751.6. Now I can't get 0.6 of a child, it has to be a whole number of children. So either it's 2,751 or it's 2,752 babies. I need the units alongside it. So the question was how many babies do I expect to be classified as low birth weight in 2016? And the answer is either 2,751 or 2,752 babies. So if you're able to find the probability down here from your calculator, that would get you a U. If you're able to get through and find the value, the number of babies, then that gets you the value of R. But note, you must round these values. If you haven't rounded it like the line before, that is not going to get you through to the R.